When one of the world's leading manufacturers of natural ester transformer oils needed a highly advanced treatment solution, they turned to Ekofluid. The result, FILOIL 24000, a system built for unmatched performance, reliability, and precision. This is how it was made. Every project begins with careful preparation. For this unique order, our team worked closely with the client to align on every detail, ensuring a smooth process from start to finish.
We received a challenging request: 2 large treatment units tailored for natural ester oils. We prepared a detailed production plan to deliver the project on time and to spec.
The client had clear goals. We spent significant time aligning on technical and commercial details to avoid surprises later.
From the start, we designed the software architecture to integrate seamlessly with the client's systems. This helped us build in flexibility and ensure future-proof operation.
Planning the testing strategy early was essential. Good preparation allows us maintain the high quality our customers expect.
Turning customer requirements into an advanced design takes collaboration and expertise. Our engineers focused on efficiency, serviceability, and seamless control integration.
We developed a design that combined large capacity with process reliability. Close teamwork between all departments ensured a smooth design phase.
Our client asked for high efficiency, full automation, and safe operation. We translated these requirements into practical and proven engineering solutions.
The control system was built with remote access, predictive features, and intuitive operation. Our goal: reliability and ease of use for operators.
We reviewed each part of the design for long-term durability and easy maintenance. Early testing simulations help us further improve reliability.
With the design finalized, our team began building the units. At our manufacturing facility, each component was manufactured with precision and care, following strict quality standards.
We structured production in clear phases with quality checks throughout. This allowed us to stay on schedule despite the complexity of the build.
Throughout production, we kept the client fully updated on progress. They visited for the final acceptance testing, where they could see the completed units in operation.
We installed the control systems during assembly and tested them early. This ensured smooth integration and minimized issues during final commissioning.
Every component was assembled under strict quality standards. Our team takes great pride in delivering equipment that works perfectly from day one.
Testing is where design meets reality. Each FILOIL 24000 unit was put through rigorous tests to ensure performance, safety, and reliability.
We tested both units with real oil under full operating conditions. All parameters were verified and exceeded expectations.
The client visited our facility for the first time during final acceptance testing. They were pleased to see the units performing exactly as they specified.
We verified all control functions, arms, and remote connectivity. The system operated reliably through every scenario.
We followed a strict, step-by-step testing protocol. Every detail was checked and documented before approval.
After successful testing, the final task was to prepare both units for safe transport. The FILOIL 24000 systems were packed and shipped to the customer's new factory, ready to begin their mission.
We organized packaging and transport to ensure safe delivery. All components were secured and ready for immediate installation.
This was a complex and demanding project. We delivered both units on time and to the exact specifications. A result we are proud of.
Before shipping, we completed final software setup and remote access configuration. The client is now ready to operate and monitor the units with full support.
Our last task was to confirm all items were shipped in perfect condition. The units are now on site, ready to support the client's production.
FILOIL 24000, engineered by Ekofluid, built for unmatched performance, trusted by leaders in transformer oil technology.